In this tutorial, I will teach you how to add a video directly in Squarespace without resorting to YouTube. Your choice of content can make a great impact on the overall visual impression of your website, and incorporating videos is a fantastic way to engage visitors. But what happens when you want to add a video directly without having to use a platform like YouTube? Well, don't worry, I've got you covered. Let's jump right in. Start with navigating to the page where you desire adding your video. Once you reach that page, look for and click the Edit button. Make sure you're on the correct page as changes will be applied immediately, and we don't want to alter any page unintentionally. Next, you need to spot an insert point or look for the Add Block option. Both can be found within the website builder interface. After finding the correct option, click it open and a menu should display. From this menu, select the Video block. This block is your ticket to adding a video file on your website directly without relying on YouTube. The next step is a breeze. When you've selected the video block, you need to look for a plus icon in your block editor. This icon is your link to uploading the file right from your computer. After clicking it, an option should read Upload File. Click on it. You're now ready to select the video file from your computer. But before you do, make sure that your file is either in .mp4, .m4v, or .mov format. Another important point to check is if it's under 500 MB. Squarespace doesn't permit video files larger than this, mainly to ensure your web page loads quickly and provides a smooth experience for your visitors. So now that you've selected the file, you need to wait a while as it uploads and processes. During this time, why not go ahead and customize your playback options? You can choose to autoplay your video or make it loop for a certain duration. If you want to make it even more enticing, consider adding a custom featured image. After all the customization and uploads, one last crucial click remains. Once you're content with everything, simply click anywhere outside the editor. And voila! You've successfully added a video without YouTube. Now, all there's left to do is save your page. Don't forget this step. Otherwise, all your efforts might go in vain. Once you're out of the edit mode, look for an option saying Save. After clicking it, you're essentially done. And there you have it, how to add a video directly in Squarespace without needing to use YouTube. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Remember to play around with different options and layouts to truly make your web page stand out. Happy designing, and catch up with you in the next tutorial.